my dear students. Myself Ramesh Kumar Singh going to take a class computer subject. The topic is chapter 5 working with layer. Now student, I explained you little bit about the layer in the last chapter of chapter 4, but now here we are going to start the detailing of layer. First things, what is a layer? Layers are like transparent sheets that can hold objects and are stacked on top of each other. Layers are useful while developing a big animation movie. When you have to use a number of objects, it is always better to distribute the object in different layers, as it make the work process much easier. So student, I would like to tell the how to create a layer and how to work in the layer. So first the things, how to create a layer, where is the layer when we are going to use. So I am going to start, go to file and new option, and then we have to create a new data. You can see that this is known as a layer. This is known as a layer, and you can see this, the continuous frame is appearing. This is the unlimited frame on this strip. So you can see there are many frames, unlimited frames holding by the individual layer. Okay. Now second thing, how to rename the layer. Before the selecting a layer, I would like to tell you how to rename a layer. So first you will click here. There are two methods. The first method is, I am telling you, first you will click over here, then the name of layer has been highlighted. Now you can type your name. Just suppose you have written here car and enter, press enter key. So this name has been changed. Otherwise you can go to modify option and then select timeline, and from the timeline you can select layer property, and you will select here layer property. Now change the name of here. In the name box you can type here building. So click on OK button. So you can see that the name of layer has been changed into a building. So this way you can change the layer. Now next is how to add new layer. First thing, so you will there are a button, you can see this is known as the insert layer. This is known as the insert layer, add layer. Okay, and you will insert folder. If you want to insert folder, you can here, this is the folder, but I want to create a new layer. So simply I will click over here, and you can see that one more layer has been created. Now you can rename it. So for rename, double click over here, and I have created here car. So you can see that I have created here car. Press enter. So this two layer has been activated over here. Okay. Now if you want to work on the building, you will select their building layer, and then you can draw a building. Simply you can make a building over here like this, and make a polygon tool. So I have selected over here, and this way I have to make a polygon. See that. If you want to make it short, you can make it short and keep it over here. And if you want to make a color, change the color, you can change the color over here this way, and then you can change it. Whatever the color you need, you can change over there. Suppose this one. So your building is ready. Now you can make one more rectangular box. So you can draw over here one rectangle, and one more rectangle. So you can draw it here, one more rectangle. Yeah, you can draw this like this, and you can move it at the center. Fill color, whatever you require, you can fill it with the red, and this one can be filled with whatever the color you require. You can fill it in this color. fill inside this red color. Control Z. This one. This is okay. Now select it and make it short. And this one is now. So this way you can use building. And if you want to make a car, so you have to first click on the layer, car layer, and then you can make a car simply. So I would like to I had made a car, but I am going to tell you how to make it. Select, and this you will bring it car, whatever you want. Simply I am going to make a car simply here. Select this, copy and paste. So you can put it over here and fill color with the black. It will be more suitable for this. And make a door and window with the help of, to make it little bit large, and थोड़ा सा इसको पीछे push up कर देंगे. And then with the help of pencil tool, draw this and draw this and draw this and draw this. Okay, and fill any color. Suppose you want to fill green color or blue color, so you will take it as a fill inside and select it. Now your car is ready. Select it all and the Control G. It has been grouped. Now make to small it. So your car is now ready. So this way you can. Now how to make an order? So rename is clear, selection is clear. Now the next one is how to change the order. How to change the order of layer. How to change the order of layer. So simply we will go to there. You can see my car is moving. So first I am going to show it. F6 and then apply there. Create motion, and on building I have applied F6, means I am inserting here keyframe, and you can see that when I am going to move that car, so it is moving from the sorry, one thing I have not done. So I am going to take this one and change the location of this car from here to here. Okay, then I am going to apply here F6, any keyframe, and then I will put here create motion tool. You can see that the car is moving in the front of building. Now I want to change the order of this car. I want to allow the car to move behind the building. So we have to change the order of here. So how to do that? Simply you will bring that, you will hold down your mouse on the car layer and bring it down. So building is up and the car is down layer. Okay, now you can run this. See, the car is moving behind the house. So this way we can change the order. My dear student, now I would like to tell you how to use hide and show layer. So simply you will see that how to show layers. On this screen you can see the object of two layers is appearing together. I want to hide one layer or two layers. So for this purpose we have to click on icon. When you click on, both the object has been disappeared and here it is showing a red cross. This is a padlock इसको बोलते हैं. So we have to see that. No, not sorry. This is a icon, not padlock. So here, if you want to make a active, make a active, so you have to click on that red button, red cross. So your car layer is active. Now here you can draw one more object. If you want to unhide building, then you will click on here. So that button. So that will be unhide. So this way you can hide and unhide. Now the next one is how to use lock layer. How to use your lock layer. For lock layer, we have to, you can see this is a lock, a padlock you can say. When you click over here, so now your building and this one has been, both is locked. When you are going to draw something, it does not allow to draw here. See, it is given the current layer car is either locked or hidden. Would you like to unlock? If you want to unlock, then you have to click here yes. If you want to lock, then you have to click there no. So if you are trying to draw anything on this layer, you are unable to draw because your layer is locked. When you click on the building, it is again locked. So if you want to unlock, you have to draw there something. The message will be given here, and you will click yes. Now you are able to draw something. So this way you can lock and unlock your layer. Okay, students. So in this video, I have told you how to lock your layer, how to hide and show your layer, how to change the order of your layer, how to rename your layer, and how to delete is not given, but I am going to tell you how to use delete layer. Simply, if you want to see that, suppose you want to delete a car layer, simply you will click over here and right click and select their delete layer. When you select their delete layer, so your layer and car will be disappeared from this stage. So this way you have to using the layer operation on the screen. So in this video I have explained about the layer operation, insert layer, rename layer, changing the order of layer. So this is very important, student. You should have to practice at your home. And the next part is how to use multiple layer, how to create multiple layer and multiple objects. Through there we can learn how to change the order. And one more thing, student, I would like to tell you how to show the grid here. So to show the grid, you will click on the view button, and then on the view button you will go to grid. View and grid, show grid. Yani the shortcut key for show grid is Control plus apostrophe mark. So this grid is showing. So that's all in this video, and in the next video I am going to explain you how to create animation with multiple layers, how to make a layering, and how to create a moving off car. So my dear student, we will meet in the next video. This is the part of this is the first part of this chapter, and we will meet on the next part of the chapter. So thank you and Jai Hind.